SNS Multimedia. Today we'll be talking about solving perimeter and area problems. So a perimeter is the outline of an object, the distance around a figure. So for example, like if we're to draw a square, I just drew the perimeter. It's the outside of the circle. And then an area is the space between the perimeter. So not between each parts of the perimeter, between and the inside of all of it. This is the area of it all on the inside. And yeah. So our lesson objective for today is to understand how to solve perimeter and area problems. So before we get into our practice, I'm going to give you a little lesson about perimeter and area. So to find a perimeter, imagine each side of this was 2 units. To find the area, you would multiply only these two, only the ones with only the sides with a sharp angle. And then you multiply those two. 2 times 2 equals 4. And that's the area of it all. So when you're writing area, you either have this little 2 right next to your thing, but I don't really do that. I do square. You can either write the whole word square, or it means squared, or just write SQ, an abbreviation, and that's what it is. And if this is for inches, you would put 4 inches squared. And that's the area of it. To find the perimeter, you add all the sides together. And since this is a square, all the sides are the same length. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. It's just 2 times 4 equals 8. So that's really cool, and that's how you find the area and the perimeter. So this time it's 4 and 8. With that said, let's move on to practice time. This is practice 1. It is the easier one out of the 2 practices. I'm just going to do 3 problems. I'm going to solve them. You're going to learn via I'm solving. So I'm going to explain to you on the way, and I'm going to get a little harder as we go, and in the end you'll get to do some on your own. So let's do it. Number 1. What is the perimeter of a rectangle that has a height of 2 units and a width of 4 units? So let's draw this. A height of 2 units, width of 4. That's not exactly right, but it's okay. So then we found the perimeter. So we add all the sides together. So this is 2 and this is 4. We go 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we get 12 for that one. 12 units. And then, what is the perimeter of a rectangle that has a height of 5 units and a width of 10? So this is just a bigger one of that. Go all the way over. That's okay. It's just gonna be that's okay, it's fine. So 10 and 5. To find the perimeter, we have to add them all together. So 5 plus 10 equals 15, and 15 plus 15 equals 30. So this equals 30. Now the perimeter of a rectangle that has a height of 2 and a width of 13 units. This is kind of long. But yeah, I think that's about as good. So 2 and 13, and we add them all together again. So 2 plus 13 equals 15. And 15 plus 15 equals 30 again. So we get 30 again for our final answer. Now we go to practice 2. Okay, so practice 2. What is the area of a square that has a height of 5 units? Oh yeah, there's a square that has a height of 5 units. So since the square has equal sides all around, we get 5, 5, 5, 5. But we're only multiplying these two. So 5 plus 5, 5 times 5, equals 25. So we get 25 square units. Then we have 2. What is the area of a rectangle that has a height of 4 and a width of 7? So height of 4, width of 7. Not on point, but it's okay. 4, 7. Multiply these two. You get, let's do it, 28. So number 2 equals 28 square feet. Then what is the area of a square that has a height of 12? So a square is equal sides. So it's 12 times 12. And if you know your math facts, 12 times 12 equals, big number, 144. So the answer for this is 144 square feet. So now on to problem time. This is problem time. It's the part where you pause and do this on your own with like a pencil and paper. Do what I just taught you and see if you get them right. Make sure to post a comment down below that says your score, like, 3 out of 3, 2 out of 3, 0 out of 3. I'm curious to know. And make sure, if you just want to have some constructive criticism about us, we could really help take it. We're just trying to grow our channel and help more and more people. So yeah, and don't post your answer down below for each question. Post your score, because that would ruin it for future viewers. So in 3, 2, 1, I'm going to give you the time to pause. Whew, I think that's long enough. So I'm going to be revealing the answers in 3, 2, 1. Here they are. So number 1 is 64 square feet. Number 2 is 60. And then number 3 is 77 square feet. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in future videos. Thank you for watching.